Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video, courtesy of COCOCAM Tech. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Take advantage of the Prime Day deals going on. Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Now this is COCOCAM. This is their wireless PTZ camera with rechargeable battery. Here's the box. This is what you get. Pretty easy, basic, really nice picture quality. Protect your home, small business, your child's room, your dog's room. Here we go. Get the manual, pretty thick. Get the USB cable right here. And there's going to be an app to download. COCOCAM app. Now here is the camera, really nice. Look at that, true wireless. We got the power and the reset buttons right here. You're gonna hold this to turn it on for a few seconds. It'll pop on, and then during the signing up process to get into the app, you're gonna have to hold this for a few seconds, and then it'll register once you scan a QR code. There's a speaker, really nice, super lightweight, and this does swivel. And that's where you plug the USB cord there, so you can move it on the app, PTZ, you know. And like I said, night vision, really nice quality camera. And here's the app. I think my phone's gonna die. COCOCAM, right here. So once you log in, you put your email, your password, click on top right, add a device, and it'll pop up. They got cloud storage you can purchase. They got different prices to choose from, but it's a really good deal. They have like $6.99 monthly. You get the basic you could choose, but the plus is the one to go, and that's $69.99 a year. That has all basic features: person, vehicle recognition, animals, and package detection. So it's your choice. You don't have to, but it's your camera. So here we go. Turn the sound off. There we are. So record, hold to talk, screenshot. You can show the history. PTZ right here. You can pop that up, and you can see it moving. Let me get you guys a better angle. There's the camera. Right there. Now we can see fully tilt. Goes up. You can see it moving up. Maybe not. Zoom in a little bit. Whoa, that's extreme. There we go. Zoom up. Zoom down. You see it moving. Left. Right. Up. There we go. And now, let's see what we could get into. Back up here. Like I said, I got a siren. Stand back. You know? It's pretty loud. And right here, I showed you guys earlier, you can have extra memory installed. So you could do that right there. US cable right here. Look at this, true wireless. You can put this anywhere. Like I said, kids' room, your gaming room, memorabilia room. All I gotta do, show you the night vision now. It's gonna go really quick. Perfect, clear. It's almost morning here, but here you go. It's that motion detection and everything you need for a little price. They get them. The deal's going on now, so definitely take advantage. And you can switch it to SD, QHD, and I think I covered everything that you need. There's the info AI. by single strength, alarm management. You can receive alerts, record management, device share. You can share with your neighbors, your family. AI. Now this is where you want to get into with the purchasing. You can get the AI Plus for $1.49. Shows like wild animals, squirrels, and birds. Packages, sound settings. Microphone's good. General. And I think that's about it. Restart, delete device. Like I said, it is motion detection. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Turn that off. See, it follows you. Oh. Okay, now we can see it spinning. So it knows where I'm at. Now go up, go down. I'm gonna move my hand to the right. Oh. It's like Jedi mind tricks. So there you go, guys. I think I covered everything that needs to be shown. A really sweet camera. Tiny. No one's gonna see it. This will be good for your B&Bs. And it's lightweight. Battery life is really good, so you don't have to worry about charging it all the time. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Look how clear that is at night vision. Pretty amazing. So definitely check them out. I covered pretty much everything, I believe. PTZ, motion detection. Crank it up if you want to. If you got little kids around, you might want to crank that sensitivity level up. Day humanoid detection, humanoid sensitive up. Then you can do power saving mode, custom mode, alarm, alert plan. You can do every 2 minutes or so. And then humanoid area. It's gonna take a second. Right there, just add it. See this is like your baby carriage right there. That's the one you want to focus on, and that's where the camera, as you can see there, is going to focus, and that's where it's loading up at. Should go there automatic. So definitely a nice gift to give somebody. Christmas is around the corner. Stocking stuffers, birthday gifts, you name it. New homeowners, even condos, apartments. You never know. Just gotta stay ahead of the bad guys, you know. A really nice camera, super lightweight, easy to set up, easy to use. And now it's boom. There you go. It's awake, and now you'll get a note on your tablet, your iPad, your smartphone, whatever you use. Take it easy. Good night.